Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best power tool brands you should reach for first, that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Craftsman. Is there a more iconic tool brand than Craftsman? One of the best power tool brands, your dad, your granddad, maybe even your great-granddad, probably had at least one Craftsman tool, and very likely way more than that. Founded in 1927 as the in-house tool brand for Sears. Though the tools themselves were built by third parties with their own strong reputations and branded Craftsman for sale through Sears. Craftsman built a name for quality by offering a lifetime warranty for decades. Since 2017, Craftsman has been owned by Stanley Black & Decker. Those two legendary tool companies merged in 2010. It may just be me, but when I think Craftsman, I think of a tool that fits in one hand and has multiple uses, and the Craftsman V20 cordless ratchet wrench fits the bill. It has a variable speed of up to 300 revolutions per minute, RPM, and 35 foot-pounds of torque. Other features include the ability to switch between powered and manual operation, and a light-emitting diode, LED, light that illuminates the work area. This is certainly an exceptionally handy handyman's tool. Moving on, at number 4, we have the DeWalt. Another brand dating back to the 1920s, DeWalt was a household name among professionals. Pros were discovering the hardcore reliability of DeWalt, which was founded in 1924 by Raymond DeWalt, who invented the radial arm saw. The brand, bought by Black & Decker in 1960, and now a corporate stablemate of Craftsman, sold the radial saw branch of the company in 1989. 3 years later, Black & Decker chose to rebrand its professional quality gear as DeWalt. The best power tool brands have dependable battery-powered, cordless options, as well. That's where DeWalt shines. Among DeWalt's highest-rated offerings is its 20-volt Max XR impact driver with more than 8,400 5-star ratings on Amazon. With up to 3,400 RPM and 1,835 inch-pounds of torque, driving large-diameter screws is quick and easy. The Max XR impact driver also includes a 3 LED light, so you're not driving screws blind. At number 3, we have the Skil. Not all power tools are cordless. There are some applications where 120-volt alternating current, AC, power from a wall socket is preferable. The tool itself will have higher output and you can rely on consistent power delivery rather than starting a job and finding yourself with a battery that's running on fumes. If you're looking for quality corded tools, then Skil is the way to go. This company was founded by Edmund Michel, who invented the circular saw in 1924. Unlike DeWalt, Skil still makes the tool that put them on the map, as the company calls it, the saw that built America. Its 15-amp 7.25-inch circular saw features a 5,300 RPM motor, a carbide-tipped blade, a built-in dust blower to keep the line of cut clear, and a single-beam laser to keep that cut straight as an arrow. At number 2, we have the Makita. One small step for man, one giant leap for power tools. In 1969, the same year we landed on the moon, Makita invented the first rechargeable power tool, a battery-powered drill. Not bad for a company that had only been in the power tool business for 11 years. Makita and the power tool industry never looked back and has been one of the best power tool brands ever since. The Makita XFD10Z rechargeable drill carries on the tradition, with 55 years of research and advancements baked in. A 4-pole motor delivers 480 inch-pounds of max torque. Plus, the drill includes a 2-speed transmission, is dust and water resistant, and has dual LED lighting. And finally, at number 1, we have the Milwaukee. Milwaukee is another best tool brand with a deep history. Founded in 1924 and instantly recognizable by folks who've served our country, Milwaukee started producing tools for the U.S. Navy in the 1930s and was one of the fastest-growing brands in 2022. If there's one breakthrough product that secured Milwaukee's place in the Toolmaker Hall of Fame, there isn't one, but there should be. It's the Sawzall reciprocating saw, introduced in 1951. Milwaukee still makes Sawzalls today, and the most popular is the 2621-20 M18, a cordless model with a 3000 RPM motor. It also features a quick lock blade clamp and an all-metal gearbox, which protects it if it gets dropped. A counterbalance mechanism also reduces vibrations.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.